I'm Michael French jockey. 私はミカエルです。フランス人です。After my success in Japan, my man was amazing. It was really different. A lot of fans support you. The horses, the people are fantastic. Yes, I fell in love to Japan. The city, the food, the people are very good. The races are magical. The organization of the GRA was perfect. The races are clear, fast. I was very comfortable in the race. The horses are very powerful and you must be physically ready. I love to have a short-term lessons of GRA and NAR. Why not Hong Kong or United States, Australia, Canada or Singapore? Be interesting. Video guy. Yes, for sure. I'm strong. I work hard to get there. Very hard training and a big mind. Strong and sweet. And come back to Japan and continue to learn. I'm so happy for Mrs. Nanako. Girls power. She rides very well. She has a talent and I hope to ride again with her. Thank you for your welcome. I love you and I promise you to come back soon.